Hello, my name is Advita. Today, I am going to New York. I feel very excited because this is my first trip. Excuse me,
Hello, how can I help you?
I would like to check in for my flight.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here's my boarding pass. Do you have any bags? Yes, I have one bag. It is not very heavy. Please put your bag on the scale. Thank you. You are all set. Thank you so much. Thank you. Attention, please. Flight to New York is now boarding. There is still time for the flight. Let's wait. It's Dad. Hello, Dad.
Hello, Advita. Are you at the airport?
Yes, Dad. I'm waiting for my flight.
Keep your passport safe. Be careful.
Yes, Dad. Don't worry.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you, Dad. Bye. Now I am at the gate. My flight will start boarding soon. I am walking to the plane, and I feel very happy. Excuse me, could you help me find my seat? Of course. What is your seat number? It is 21A. Your seat is near the window on the left side. Welcome on board. We are happy to have you with us today. Please fasten your seatbelt. It is important for your safety.
Hi, I am Adam.
Hello, I am Advita.
Is this your first flight?
Yes, it is my first flight. I feel excited.
That's nice. Where are you going?
I am going to New York City.
Me too. I am visiting my family.
Wow, I can see many airplanes.
The runway is so big!
Wow, I like this view.
The plane will fly soon.
I feel excited.
Look, the airplane is moving!
Hello, would you like something to drink? Yes, please. Juice, water, or soda? Can I have orange juice, please? Of course. Thank you. Enjoy your drink. Hello. Wow, we are above the clouds. The view is beautiful.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Wow, this looks so nice. The food looks very tasty. It smells good.
This is delicious.
It is night now. The cabin lights are dim. The plane is quiet and calm. Many passengers are sleeping. Advita feels sleepy. She looks outside into the dark sky.
It is morning now. The sun is rising. The sky is bright and beautiful. The plane is getting close to New York. Advita wakes up and looks outside. She feels very excited. Wow, the sky is so beautiful. We are near New York. I can't wait to see the city. Wow.
Good morning. May I see your passport?
Good morning. Here it is.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for a holiday.
Okay, welcome to New York City, ma'am.
Thank you. Excuse me, can I get a taxi?
Yes, where do you want to go?
Please take me to the Grand Plaza Hotel on 5th Avenue.
Sure, please get in.
Please take... New York is very big. There are many tall buildings. Look at the Brooklyn Bridge. It looks very beautiful. Here is my hotel. It looks clean and nice. Hello, I have a reservation. My name is Advita. May I see your passport? Yes, here it is. And here is my credit card. Your room is on the 3rd floor. Great, thank you. I will use my key card to open the door. Wow, the room is very nice and big. I can see the city from the window. This is Central Park. It is a big and beautiful park in New York. There are many trees and green grass. People are walking, running, and relaxing. Advita feels happy and calm. It is very tasty. Ooh, look, a small squirrel. It is so cute. Hello, little squirrel. Do you want some food? Look, this is the Statue of Liberty. It is a symbol of freedom. Can you guess where I am? Yes, you are right. This is Monica's and Chandler's apartment. I am in Friends World. Let's go inside. Come with me. Wow, this place looks just like Monica's apartment. I love this room. It is so colorful. I feel like I am in Friends. Let's explore more. I am in a friend's cafe. Can you guess where I am? Yes, you are right. I am at Central Park. This place looks just like the show. I feel like I am in... This is the famous Friends building. It is in New York City. Many people come here to take photos. I am walking on the bridge. The view is so nice. I am at the top of the Empire State Building. The view from the Empire State Building is amazing! Enjoying sunset. I am at Broadway. I am going to watch a show at Broadway. I have my ticket. Broadway is very famous. New York looks beautiful at night. The city is full of lights.
It is night. Advita is resting after a long day. Tomorrow, she will go back home. She feels happy and a little sad.
I am at the airport. It is time to go back. I will miss New York City. New York was an amazing experience. I saw many wonderful places. Thank you for watching. See you again!